In this video, we are showing you how to lead and follow correctly the rotational body wave so that you don't only be safe on the dance floor, but that you have a lot of fun and stand out. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. I look around and Sing City's cold and empty. No one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. And I said,
So guys, for the rotational body wave, we have to keep in mind that it's a combination of two body waves, the normal body wave and the side wave. So first, let's start in the closed position. Make sure to have very good connection here with the elbows and the side of this arm. And let's go into a basic in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. So in 7, 8, I am already starting the preparation by breathing in and taking the follower out of her basic. Now on 1, I start with a side wave. On 1, going up, and I go up as much as I can, because on 2 is where we do the rotation when we are up on 2. And now guys, we have so much energy in this hand with the rotation. We have built so much energy here that now we just can release the energy in 3, and in 4 we end up sitting. And guys, make sure the leaders that we are staying in this spot. So we are not doing the rotational body wave with her. We are here together in the side wave. We rotate with rotating our body as well. So we're not only rotating our hands, but our body. And now we stay in place. We release and we sit on the other side.
It's very important that you do the rotation of the follower's upper body when she is at her highest point and still has her whole weight on the right side. If she already put her weight to this side, don't rotate her anymore, because this will cause damage to her spine. For the follower, it's very important that you try to finish your body wave, and you, at the end of your movement, you go a little bit up, so you really finish the wave and you're ready to go back.
One typical question that we get from our students as well is, how do we let the follower know that she needs to stay sitting and not just stand up again after the rotational body wave? And how we do it is by creating a lot of energy here up, and when we rotate, we release the whole energy as going diagonally down as we can, and we leaders, we sit as well. So if I don't end up sitting, it's very possible that she will not sit at the end either. So let's do the rotational body wave in 1, 2, 3, tap. And leaders, here it's very important that we keep our whole weight on our left leg and a good posture. We don't want to end up like this with her or something like that. We want to end up with a straight body.
Yes. Also for the follower, it's the same thing. Really try to stay on the left side with your weight and don't lean over the leader. You can slide down a little bit with your hand. Don't grab him so he doesn't come with you. So you can lose a little bit like the frame here, but still keep the connection with the arms.
And to go back into our basic, we need to do a reverse rotational body wave. So let's go into the rotational body wave. 1, 2, 3, tap. From here, we need to do a pendulum with our hips. So with this hand, we bring it to the lower back of the follower, and we do a pendulum. We go straight up in 6, and when we are here both in the same position, now we can slide. We can do it with a slide by putting our leg here in the middle, or just by going back into our place in 7, 8. And make sure here as well that we are leading with our body and not with our arms only.
Yes, for the follower, make really sure that when you start the rotational reverse wave, that you really go into the pendulum down and not like this. So you go down, and in the pendulum, you start rotating your hip to the side, and then you are back in the side wave.
So from this point of view, with counting in 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and watch these other videos that we are sure are going to help you a lot to get better at Bachata Sensual. We hope to see you over there. Bye-bye.